Hi class, welcome to this lesson which is the second half of homework 21 on equations of lines. So the first half of the lesson we learned about the slope-intercept form. So that was the y equals mx plus b form of a line. This equation that we're learning about today, the point-slope equation of a line, is literally what you do when you have some point and some slope. So this point doesn't need to be the y-intercept, just any point. And the formula that we plug it into is y minus y1. This is the y value associated with the point. This is the letter x, and this is the x value associated for the point. And then the m is whatever your slope is. So here we are, we have an equation of the line. It has slope 3 and it goes through this point. So again, the formula from the previous slide, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So the y is going to stay a y, and the y1 is the y value that we had with our point. The m is the slope, and the x1 is the x value for the point. Now we're going to clean this up. Typically, clean this up means put it in slope-intercept form. So this is y plus 2 minus minus is a plus. We're going to distribute over on this side. We can subtract 2 from both sides. So we get y equals 3x minus 5. So the line with slope 3 that passes through the point 1, negative 2 is actually this line, y equals 3x minus 5. Sometimes instead of being given a point and a slope, you're going to actually be given 2 points. So two things that you know are on the line. The first thing you're going to do is find the slope. You're not going to be done, but you'll at least get the slope using that formula from homework 20. And if you don't have that in your notes here, this is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's our formula. If you're a more visual learner, remember you can plot the points and walk up and over and do your rise over the run. That's fine. Then you're going to use the slope that you just found plus one of the points. It doesn't matter which point, but I'll be honest, if one of the points has a bunch of negatives, I'm probably going to avoid it. If the other point has a 0, I would probably use it. You can pick either of the points and you can use the point slope form to find the line. So in this case, here are our 2 points we're given. So the first thing I'm going to do is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is positive 2 over 1. So my slope is 2. And then I'm going to use the point slope version of the line, y minus y1. Now, for me, I've decided I'm going to use this point because I like the fact that there's a 0 in it. I'm hoping it's a little easier to work with. So y minus 0 equals m x minus 2, x minus x1. Remember your formula is y minus y1 equals x minus x1. So I get y equals 2x minus 4. And that is the answer. Now let's say you said, I want to use the other point. So instead you did y minus negative 2 equals 2x minus 1. So that's if you decided to use that point. You get y plus 2 equals 2x minus 2. Subtract 2 from both sides. And you get y equals 2x minus 4. So whichever point you use, you should get the same answer. It doesn't matter which. You don't have to do both the purple and the light blue. You just have to do one, but notice they should lead you to the same place. Any questions? Go ahead and email me. Have a nice day.